Hi guys, have I got a video for you. My sister loved what I did to her closet, and so she said, put your party hat on, come on over and let's clean out my garage. So that's exactly what we're gonna do in today's video. We are decluttering, organizing, and refiguring this garage. So let's get into it. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a garage clean out reorganization. Desperately needed. You guys thought my sister's closets were bad. Look at this garage. She's gonna kill me again. Dead twice. You guys, this garage is in need of a little bit of love. There's just things thrown everywhere. I think it's just her style, you know, she's on the go, she's got things to do, and she just shoves it in places. I'm just kidding, Clara, sorry. I'm roasting her, I shouldn't do that, that's not very nice. So today's video, we are cleaning out this garage. You guys know I love taking as much stuff out of the closet as possible. I like taking everything out when I do a closet. This garage, I don't know that I'm gonna take everything out because it's a lot. I'm sorry, Clara, I'm laughing. I've never had a garage to fill, so to be fair, maybe my garage would look like this. So I'm going to take out most of it, and if I think it's a better idea to just take it all out and start from scratch, then I'll do that. If not, I might just kind of rearrange the big things as I go and taking out the stuff I know that's not staying or stuff that I'm not quite sure where it's going to go. But in general, we're gonna try and start off with a fresh slate and then figure out what we're gonna do. This is basically just kind of getting us started. It's just, you know, getting out the junk that doesn't need to be here, the stuff she either wants to sell or donate, stuff that's supposed to go to someone else's house. Another day, if she has me back, that's when we'll focus on, you know, hanging stuff up on the wall. To start, we are gonna clear a bunch of stuff out, and there's no better way to do it than just doing it. So let's go ahead and tackle this garage. Okay.
Turn it around.
Everything can go. You got me. This is recycling? Yeah. Yeah, the boxes go to the Hey John, can we get rid of this Joker speaker that hasn't been used in years? Chef John! Not you, babe. You should buy my magic card for that, Clara. Why would you say that? Get rid of it. The biggest thing you can do when cleaning out any space is when you're taking stuff out is make piles. So right now I'm making a pile. This all has to go to my sister's father-in-law's house. And then I also have a pile for things that I need her to tell me she's either selling or keeping and donating. And that's the biggest thing, is if you're doing this yourself, make those piles. It makes it so much easier because at the end you're gonna see we're gonna go through those and we're gonna go get rid of them and put them where they're supposed to go, so that way they don't end up back in here, because that's what you do not want, is to do all this beautiful work and then have to bring it, just stuff it right back in. feel like I've got a really good starting point now. Definitely more than a starting point, but you guys get what I'm saying. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is figure out where all of the big stuff that we're keeping now is gonna go, and then I'm gonna tackle this messy tool shelf corner and we'll deal with that. So let's go ahead and figure out where we can put this stuff. I've already said that my sister just wanted me to come over and basically just get her garage cleaned out. We're gonna save for another day making things and putting stuff on the walls. And I wanted to show you guys that you can do that too. I know sometimes you can see these amazing garage cleanouts and organization videos and you're like, wow, that's so incredible. But then you get stuck because you're just like, I don't have time to screw things into the wall or to build these shelves. And I just wanna tell you that start small. Just start by literally just doing what I'm doing, which is just cleaning out her space and using exactly what she has. I don't bring in a single thing from outside. There's nothing from Target, no storage bins, nothing from Home Depot. So just start here and then plan for another day. Hey, another day I'm gonna go through those bins that I just organized. Another day I'm going to hang up all of these beach chairs that I have so I have more space on my floor. Tackle it one step at a time, and over time you'll become more organized as opposed to just getting so overwhelmed that you don't even know where to start. Shelves were a doozy, and I feel like this is where most people would want to just give up and throw everything in a basket and walk away and say, I did it. But guys, don't give up. Keep chugging through. Remember why you started. Remember that you don't want to be here again next year doing the exact same thing with the exact same stuff. Just take it one shelf at a time, almost treat it like a closet if you need to. Take everything off of one of these shelves and just go through it like you would anything else. Do I use this? Do I need this? Do I want to carry this forward into the next year? Just be honest with yourselves, you guys, and you can't go wrong. Now, tools are the one place where I would say go out and buy some kind of organization system. You guys, with projects throughout the house, there can just be so many random little things and little tools that you're just like, what do I do with? And they end up in a basket like this. I did my best to sort them for her because, again, I just wanted to use what she had. But this is definitely a place where I think you can invest a little bit of money, a little bit of time, go through everything and put it exactly where it needs to go. It just will make your life so much easier when you have projects or you have to buy something to fix. You don't want to have 100 little things just floating around in a basket. So I did my best here. We are almost done. I gave that garage one last final sweep, and then before I can show you the amazing after, we have to do this. This is almost more important than anything else you'll do in that garage, and that is getting rid of everything that you pulled out and you want to get rid of. If this pile stays here and it calls for rain tomorrow, do you know where that pile's gonna end up? It's gonna end up right back in your garage. So take the time, make this a part of your day. Say, you know what? I'm cleaning up my garage, but I'm also cleaning out my driveway after. And so pack those bags for Goodwill, drive them to Goodwill because otherwise they will sit in your trunk for a month or a year, who knows, until they end back up in your house. Get rid of it. Make that pile that you brought to someone else's house and bring it. Sell that stuff immediately on Facebook. Take the pictures while you're sorting out your garage, and it's a perfect time for people to come pick it up while you're actually cleaning the inside. But if not, then do it right after, get them posted and sell that stuff and make that cash. Make sure any garbage that was in the garage or any recycling gets recycled. I also just want to say my brother-in-law's not an alcoholic. He just hadn't taken out the recycling in a while. I love you, John. But yeah, clean up all of those piles, get rid of them, and you'll be so much happier and you'll be able to enjoy the beauty of your clean garage fully. So here we go, you guys. I hope you can remember what it looked like. Thing of nightmares right here. And then I'm going to show you the beautiful after, and you're not going to believe it. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already, because I've got lots of good content like this coming, lots more good fun projects and DIYs and organization videos. Whatever you got, you can name it. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.